Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to be unboxing this Epson Home XP-3100. So, go ahead and just get right into it. Looks like we've got our little ink cartridges there. So something to note, I'll go ahead and show you guys right here. When you're buying printers, this is not ideal because you'll see the cartridge has a microchip, which means that you're going to have to go with OEM printer ink refills, which you might find pretty quickly that ink costs more than the actual printer itself. But something to keep in mind. However, one thing that is more desirable about these cartridges though is that they are individual, so if you run out of one color you don't have to replace all the colors, you can just replace the one that's out. But should note, there is that microchip there which might make refills a bit tricky. So go ahead and pull those off. Looks like magenta, black, and then cyan and yellow. Got those. And power cable. What else? And then there is this booklet with a special bonus offer if you register now, and it's got the software disk in the back as well. And I'll give you guys an overview real quick of everything that comes in the box. So you get printer, little packet with the software CD, and for starter cartridges, it should be noted that these are just starter cartridges, so they do not have full ink in them. They will use it to prime and set up the printer, and then you'll have a little bit of ink left for printing, but you're going to have to go ahead and take into consideration getting full ink cartridges as well. So put those away there. Alright, so you have the actual XP-3100 printer itself. You've got the power cable, your 4 starter cartridges, and the software pack. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and start removing all the packaging here. Go ahead, if you guys want to pause this and zoom in. All of this. If you guys really want to see it, you can go ahead and contact me directly on my website, GHG2NZ.com, and I can post detailed pictures of this if that's something that you guys really want. Plug this in back here. There we go. Hit that power button. We'll go through the menu system together, okay? Alright, so we're just going to go through here. We're going to select English. And it's preparing. And now we're going to install those cartridges. Again, you want to note that microchip there. Ideally, you want a printer without these microchips. Black, yellow, cyan, and magenta, and we're just going to insert them in here. So if you guys can see right here, so on the side of it, you want that pointed down. So remove that. Click that into place. So once you've got your cartridges all in place, you're going to hit the start button right down here. And it says checking ink cartridges. It says initializing, do not turn power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 6 minutes. So now you're just going to let it kind of do its thing. It says it's going to take about 6 minutes. Alright, now it says initialization complete. So we're going to press OK. And align the print head. So there's a bunch of adjustments and stuff you can make. You can either skip ahead or do them now. Close this. Alright, so now we've gone ahead and put our paper in, and we're just going to hit that print button. We've got our test page. Looks pretty good to me. So that will conclude our unboxing and setup of the Epson XP-3100. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have a product that you would like to see unboxed or reviewed on this channel, please visit www.GHG2NZ.com and hit the contact link to get in touch. Thanks, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.